I spent a few years living in Southern California, and one of the things I instantly fell in love with were tacos. Today I'll be cooking up one of my favorite ones, the shrimp Gobernador taco. This taco is filled with shrimp that is spicy and succulent and surrounded by melting gooey Oaxaca cheese. Let's go! Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more recipes. Let's begin by prepping our shrimp. I have about 200 grams of fresh, uncooked shrimp here that have the shell off and are pre-deveined. Let's take the tail off of these and discard them. We only need the meat part of the shrimp for this recipe. Once our shrimp has been peeled, we need to chop them up into small pieces. Now these are medium-sized shrimp, so divide each shrimp into about 3 equal parts. If you're working with extra large shrimp, maybe take it a step further depending on how chunky you would like them in your tacos. Finally, we have all of our shrimp chopped up, and it's now time to season and marinate them. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, a quarter teaspoon of cayenne, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Give them a quick toss with your hands or a spoon if you don't like getting dirty, and set them aside. It's going to be a quick marinade just till we get our veggies soft. In a pan, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of avocado oil with 1 tablespoon of butter and set this up on medium heat. Get that butter nice and melted before adding half a diced medium-sized sweet onion and 1 diced green bell pepper. Now I know that the one traditionally used are poblanos, but I couldn't find them in like 3 grocery stores near me and finally gave up, so using bell peppers just for illustration purposes. And 1 sliced serrano pepper, or if you like a little bit more heat, go for a jalapeno. We're going to saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes just till our veggies get soft. Sprinkle in some salt to help it going and release their moisture quicker. After our veggies have softened, we're going to move them into one half of the pan. Add your shrimp to the empty half of the pan, spreading them in as much as an even layer as possible with maximum contact to the bottom of the pan. What we're trying to achieve here is the spices to get locked into the shrimp. After precisely 2 minutes, we're now going to combine the shrimp with our veggies. Next, we're taking the heat up a notch. I'm adding 1 chipotle pepper in adobo sauce that I've grinded with a mortar and pestle to the equation. I absolutely love the extra heat and smoky flavor that comes from chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. I'm not sure if it's a traditional way of doing it, but I do like the depth and flavor it adds. Saute this for a couple of more minutes and then kill the heat and move your shrimp to a bowl and set them aside. Let's make a healthier version of an avocado crema next that we're going to use to top up our tacos. I'm adding 1 avocado in my blender jar. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Now I can tell you that yogurt is an extremely healthy substitute for sour cream, and you wouldn't know the difference in flavor, or that I totally forgot to pick it up in my grocery haul. Either way, yogurt is an incredible substitute for sour cream and you wouldn't know the difference in taste. And I guess it's supposed to be better for you. Do the needful and blend it. Time to finally bring it home and make our tacos. I'm spreading some butter on a cast iron griddle on which go my corn tortillas. I prefer corn tortillas to flour tortillas for tacos, and that's just a personal choice. I'm going to lightly toast one side before flipping them. On goes some Oaxaca cheese that I pre-shredded. Move your tortillas around to ensure they get an even distribution of heat for even melt of the cheese. Once the cheese is melted, we're going to add our cooked shrimp onto one half of each of our tortillas. Now, carefully with the help of another utensil that is handily available, fold one half of the tortilla onto the other, doing your best to make sure the shrimp doesn't all pop out. I'm making these for the first time at home, and you can clearly see me struggling to achieve that perfect fold. Damn it, finally there. Finally, our taco is now ready for a drizzle of the avocado crema. Lastly, to finish, sprinkle some cotija cheese on top like confetti on a groom and bride. And there you have it, our irresistible shrimp Gobernador tacos ready to be devoured. The combination of succulent shrimp, flavorful veggies, and zesty toppings create a fiesta in your mouth. Don't take my word for it, try this out at home and your taste buds will thank me. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more adventures. Thank you.